Hey guys, it's Yam and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well amidst the current situation we are facing right now. The video that I will be doing today is something that I do so often and I just want to share it with you guys. This will somehow be a rush version of my makeup look. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell beside it so you will be notified on my next video just like this one. If you're ready, let's get started.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
Skincare, it's really important to do your skincare first. Moisturize your face, guys. Every day and night. Because even if you have dry skin, oil skin combination, or normal skin, just moisturize your face. Next is makeup. I don't wear concealer every day, but let's conceal my under eye circles because I just feel restless today. Because guys, meron akong crave kagabi. We just watched Extraction on Netflix. Sa akong crave, if you're watching right now, hello? Crave pa more. I just also want my face to look as good as physically possible in the shortest period of time. Next would be the brows. Your brows are so important because they will give shape to your face and make your face look different. Guys, take a look at yourself in the mirror and just compare your face with or without your brows. And if you're a lazy person and it's always on the go, you're always in a rush, and if you have thick brows already, you can just brush up your brows using this Nichido clear brow gel. I used to use this before after I draw my brows, and just brush up your brows for a completely neat looking brows, but it's already empty. See? By this one. It's affordable and this is also available in Watsons. Next would be the eyelash curler, but I think I'm not going to put mascara on my eyes because guys, imagine if we're on a rush. So let's just quickly do everything. Next would be highlight, so that I would look more awake and glowy. And I will be using the same highlight, guys, the Eva Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Strobe. And I will not put some blush on my face today because we're in a rush. Just want my face to look glowing and healthy. You can use any lip balm or healing balm for your lips, but today I will be using the Girl Crush shade from Sunny's Face. This is one of my go-to shades to wear every single day. This one. See? Be lipstick and be.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul, I ain't this fucking cold, yeah. That's just how it goes. These days I'm getting no sleep. Fuck 'em all, they don't know me. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Let me drink my coffee. Back up. That's the greeting you gon' get if you step up. Messed up, well I've been and done when I tense up. That patience were now playing dress up. Big sales on them big meals. Got a pocket full of coupons, we gon' eat well. And you know I got them refills. Got my dimes and the events planned.
I hope you're all enjoying my uploads this month. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. There are plenty of videos waiting for you and plenty more to come. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like, comment down below the video suggestions you want to see next on my channel, share this to your friends, and of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell down below so you will be notified on my future uploads. I hope you all have a great weekend. This has been Yamyam saying goodbye and see you next time. Bye!